Welcome to Olyusei Simultaneous, interpreting services and solutions for your in-person, online and hybrid events. In this video we will take you through the details of our fully remote simultaneous interpreting system, the equipment needed and how the attendees can listen to the interpretation. Let's see how it works. Your technician at the venue will send the live audio and video to our hub. You just need a cable for Ethernet connection, a laptop, a camera and connection to the live sound. That's all you need. The interpreters receive the live signal in our hub at their fully equipped booths. Interpreters working anywhere around the world may use our one-of-a-kind virtual console. The attendees will receive the interpretation through their own smartphones. They just need to download the app, enter the private event code, PIN, and select the language they wish to listen to. With Olyusei system you don't need additional space for booths. There is no need to manage receivers, which makes it ideal for large events and conferences. Reduce interpreters' travel expenses, your overall event's CO2 footprint, and the total cost of your event's simultaneous interpreting services.